What's up, everybody? It's your boy, Heaven Hollywood, for the IE Network, and this is the Heaven Hollywood Report. Let's get into it. Torylanez was denied the right to speak publicly on the Megantheestallion case. This is what happened in court on Thursday. According to reports from page 6, it says Megantheestallion got a courtroom win Thursday when the judge overseeing the criminal case against her alleged shooter, Torylanez, ruled that he cannot publicly comment on the case. Now, Lanez, who is 28, filed a request in January to be able to speak publicly about the shooting that took place in July, for which he has pled not guilty to one felony count, each of assault with a semi-automatic firearm and carrying a loaded, unregistered firearm in a vehicle. Now, Lanez's attorney, Sean Hawley, argued at Superior Court in California on Thursday that the protective order barring him from talking was unfair since it does not also apply to Megan. Rapper Megan, who's 25, has been publicly speaking out against Lanez, including making comments in January, appearing to slam him after inaccurate reports surfaced online saying his charges have been dropped. B, you shot me, and my story not changing, and B, you going to jail, she tweeted. Megan also previously called out Lanez over the summer, nearly a month after the alleged shooting took place. Yes, this N-word, Torey shot me, she alleged on Instagram Live. You shot me and you got your publicists and people going to the blogs, lying and stuff. Stop lying. Why lie? Now, prior to the protective order, Lanez, whose real name is Daystar Peterson, maintained his innocence on social media and through his music. He said on an Instagram rant in October, she knows what happened, I know what happened, and we know that what you're saying and the alleged things that you're saying are not true. Now, what also happened in court was the judge suggested to Torylanez's lawyer that maybe she can file a notion where she can talk for Torylanez since they do not have a gag order against her. So the judge said, we want everything to be fair. If you want to judge, if you want to get you a petition where you can talk about it. Okay, so also, this is what Torylanez's lawyer said. I think in a perfect world, no one would be able to say anything. Holly told the judge on Thursday, my goal is to be fair. The defense attorney then also accused Megan's attorney, Alex Spiro, of making public remarks about the case, saying, I don't know how I can sit by when the complaining witness and her lawyer speak to the media. Now, Spiro previously told page 6 after Lanez's request to speak out was filed, did the notion fail to mention that there was a gunshot residue on his hands or that he texted her sorry? I haven't had a chance to read it. The judge ultimately determined that Lanez's protective order should remain in place and that Megan still does not have an order that silences her. So, at the hearing, Holly, who is Lanez's attorney, also alleged that one of the witnesses in the case had been intimidated by the complaining witness. The complaining witness is Megantheestallion. And however, the judge said those are new issues and dismissed speaking about those allegations further. Now, I don't know whether he means we're not going to ever talk about it or what have you. But if this is the case, this is a win for Megan. And I'll tell you why. Not the fact that Torey won't be able to speak on it, because he hasn't been able to speak on it yet, really. And a lot of people still believe Torey. And, of course, what he said was the lawyer could speak for him if she filed a motion. I don't say that's a win. That's kind of like a wash. But the win comes when they're saying they're not going to discuss if a witness was, if the witness was intimidated. So if they're saying that Megan intimidated a witness, which I'm going to assume is Kelsey, or they're not, I can't assume that it's Torey's bodyguard. So I'm going to assume it's Kelsey. If they're going to determine that they're not going to use that in this case and they're not going to discuss this any further, he didn't say we're not going to discuss it at this time, so we're not going to discuss it any further. That is big, and that's a win for Megan because now they can't use, she was trying to intimidate a witness. Why the judge isn't going to use this, I have no idea. All I can say is we better check that judge for Rock Nation's card or for a check from Rock Nation. So, once again, another court date. They did not say when the next court date is going to be, but I told you this. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing. They're going to eventually throw this out after Megan's already benefited from it and made millions of dollars. They're going to eventually throw it out, and nothing's going to happen. Torey won't go to jail. Megan won't be looked upon as a liar because they'll say, oh, we don't have enough evidence. But that doesn't mean she's a liar. So she's still going to come out of it looking good because we're never going to be able to prove that she was lying if she is. Any further developments, we of course will go over it. It's your boy Heaven Hollywood for the IE Network. Please like, comment, and subscribe and share this video with your friends.